So I'm trying to create objects to add to the 3D countryside game, and Gemini does seem to do better sometimes at creating objects. And in this case, I was not precise enough in my prompts, and I got an image instead. And this is really disappointing because that looks really good, but it's not rendering code, it's just literally an image. So then I was more specific, and this is rendering code. So, and then I said, okay, fine, use some third-party library. So look, check this out. Wow, and that's really cool. But the problem is that this is heavy, and I'm trying to do this game that's going to be client server, where it's not just this. You got to move through a scene, so it's not just uh, images that are here and there. You can just rotate them. You got to move through an entire universe. And I don't think, again, I'm learning this. I don't think this is going to work for me as nice as it looks. All right. I have added, wow, I am recording. Wow, it's so slow. So I've made the maze dark. And oh boy. Uh, let's see. Oh, what's this? Oh, look, nice. Wow, it's really slow when I'm recording. I'm totally guessing where I am. Let me pull up the 2D map so I know where I am. Okay, so now I can cheat here. Let's see. Let's go this way. And is there one here? Oh, there's one there. So eventually the player will be able to pick up. Oh, look, that's a problem. Oh man, that's a problem. That's not rendered correctly. Look at that. Yeah. Oh wow. I didn't notice that. Let me face this way. Does it do it this way? This one? No, the right. No, yeah, yeah. The left hand side is not rendered correctly. Okay.